Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of the day is 要. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 要. So we know it's E and all together. E, ao, 要. Yes, 要. And we know final E star without any initials. When you write, you need to write like this. 要 and first tone. 要, 要, 要. Very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写。横竖横折竖竖横撇折撇横。要 have a lot of meaning. Today we're talking about two. First, 1, 2. I want to have a phone. 我要一个手机。I want to go to the toilet. 我要去洗手间。And second, we always use this sentence, 要 somebody, and plus a verb. It means ask somebody to do something. For example, teacher asked me to finish my homework. 老师要我做完作业。Mommy asked me to do the housework. 妈妈要我做家务。Okay, let's go. If you like today's video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Mm-hmm.